My name is May Wiggins. I was denied an apartment in the Trump buildings based on the color of my skin.
Before Donald Trump got into the penthouses and the luxury casinos, he and his family were involved in low and moderate income rental housing in Brooklyn, Queens, and other cities.
I applied and was told by the Trump Corporation that there were no vacancies.
What they told May wasn't true, and when she complained to the New York Human Rights Commission, they were able to determine that she'd been lied to.
They sent a Caucasian couple out, and they were told that there was a vacancy.
You can't deny discrimination when the same unit that has been denied to a black person is offered to a white person.
I felt very, very angry. So much so that it still evokes anger and hurt, deep, deep hurt.
The allegations of discrimination against the Trump businesses began when his dad was running the company, but then continued after Donald Trump was named as president.
That's when the Justice Department became involved.
We found how Trump personnel would be told to deal with people of color. One of the ways in which they were told to deal was to put a big C on their application.
C for colored.
That's fairly unusual.
Most landlords follow the law, and it's frankly just a tiny minority that would engage in activities that would be so blatantly illegal.
We sued the Trump Organization and Fred Trump and Donald Trump.
Donald and Fred Trump and the company eventually settled the case.
Proof was so clear that the Justice Department was able to obtain a strong consent decree. It is functionally the same as being found guilty of discrimination, except you don't have to admit discrimination.
Once the suit was settled, that wasn't the end of the discriminatory activities, and a couple of years later, the Justice Department had to file a motion against the firm again.
If he carries this practice over as president, I fear for certain minority groups, because I can still hear Trump saying, knock the crap out of him.
Knock the crap out of him, would you? Seriously.
Or there goes my African-American.
Oh, look at my African-American over here.
As if he was some pet dog.